Hello, this is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics, and today I wanted to show you some pictures of an installation that we just finished up in Austin, Texas. As you know, Austin is one of the areas in the country that's just booming with new tech companies and new tech startups, and a lot of folks moving here from out west. So we took care of this co-working space here recently, and as you can see, we had to get creative with the mounting of our speakers. So we used a lot of the Cambridge universal mounting brackets. We also utilized just the standard mounting brackets for the drop tile ceilings. So we took care of all of these co-working spaces inside as well as outside. So we utilized the Cambridge Qt300 control module to give 3 zones of sound masking so that they could control the volume in separate areas. And then we utilized, as you can see, some of these universal mounting brackets on the walls, up at the ceiling, and things like that. So the emitters inside the rooms make it to where it takes care of the crosstalk between offices, and then the ones out in the hallways make it to where as when you're passing by one of the offices and the door's shut, you don't hear what's being said in there. So it gives you the privacy that you expect when you close the door. So another satisfied client for Lone Star Acoustics. If we can help, please reach out to us. We'd love to be of assistance. You can reach us at 972-787-0808, sales at lonestaracoustics.com.